How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To come out. Alex and Casey are friends. They are discussing some new tech news. Casey, have you seen the latest news? About the new smartphone from Digitech? Yeah, I heard they're releasing it next month. Exactly. I've been following their updates closely. It's said to have a foldable screen, upgraded camera, and even a longer battery life. I'm really excited. Me too, Alex. A longer battery life alone is a game changer, not to mention the rest. Right? And apparently, it's also going to be lighter and more durable. I'm really intrigued to see how it will perform when it comes out. I bet it's going to change everything. Quiz time! What does to come out mean? To go outside? To exit a location? To tell a secret? To be made available? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D, to be made available. Phrasal verb secrets. Come out means to be released or made available, often in the context of a product or a publication. This verb is often used when talking about new releases in tech, movies, music, books, and more. Come suggests the arrival of something. Out in this context means availability to the public. In this case, it could be out of the tech offices, the opposite of in the tech offices. Phrasal verb extras. Come out is frequently used in tech and entertainment discussions. There are other meanings for come out, like tell a secret. This comes from the expression come out of the closet. Come out can also simply mean come outside, physically. Everything depends on context. Examples. The new game is set to come out in December. I can't wait for her new book to come out. The new Batman movie is coming out next year. When do you think Apple's new amazing virtual reality headset will come out? Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. A game changer. Something that changes everything. Not to mention. In addition. Durable. Strong. Intrigued. Interested. Thanks for watching. If you have a question or if you learned something useful, use the super thanks. You can support free English content. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.